Welcome to the immersive tour for the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 300, where we take a closer look at this exciting model. It reflects its heritage with powerful, wide horizontal lines befitting the king of SUVs. Constantly illuminated daytime running lights connect with the radiator grille and are set higher to reduce risk of damage during off-road driving. Adaptive high beam enhances nighttime visibility and suppresses glare by detecting oncoming and preceding vehicles to distribute light only where it's needed. Its newly developed V6 twin-turbo engine delivers 409 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque, providing enhanced driving performance and durability in harsh environments. It also comes with improved reliability, fuel efficiency, and exhaust performance. An all-new 10-speed automatic transmission further boosts driving performance and fuel efficiency while reducing noise and torque converter slip loss. The new hydraulic power steering system enhances both vehicle stability at high speed and maneuverability at low speed. A sophisticated, high-quality interior provides a comfortable driving experience in even the harshest terrain. The steering wheel's horizontal design seamlessly matches the instrument panel, and clever switch placement provides easy operation for the driver. The heads-up display delivers driving support information with little impact to the line of sight. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides a tablet-like experience to operate navigation, air conditioning, and other functions. It's also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The multi-function switch layout combines frequently used controls in a very convenient position. The Land Cruiser's ventilated front and rear seats optimize comfort and are available in a variety of interior trim colors. Moving to the back, powered underfloor dive-in seats improve storage capacity, while the tailgate can be conveniently operated hands-free using the key fob or an innovative kick sensor. Back outside, let's take a closer look at the Toyota new global architecture. The new TNGA-F platform achieves class-leading performance through superior quality, durability, and reliability. The approach and departure angles provide ample clearance without sacrificing interior space and exterior aesthetics. Adaptive variable suspension improves ride comfort, stability, and driving performance by adjusting damping force to all road conditions. An enhanced 14-speaker JBL sound system and vehicle interior provides premium sound quality, worthy of a high-end Toyota SUV. Finally, as with every Toyota vehicle, safety is a key focus. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 advances current technology, adds new functionality, improves safety, and provides further peace of mind.